also taking a lot of initiative in a different part of the country so that infrastructure facilities for education, research and development can be made possible. In the Ministry of Ayush, Ayurveda, Siddha, Inani, Soharikpa, Yoga, Naturopathy and Homeopathy. These are the family members of this Ayush. And this, all the segment of Ayush can grow faster to achieve that target. This kind of infrastructure facilities now taken up so that students can have better facility to excel their academic activities, research activities, and also people of the country can avail best possible hospital facility, treatment facilities.